Hello, and welcome to my video on procedural terrain generation for my computer graphics final. For this project, I layered several octaves of Perlin noise using a function provided in a header-only library by GitHub user Reputeless. I decreased amplitudes and increased persistence or roughness with finer levels of detail, and the result is a landscape that feels natural and detailed at scales both small and large. Using the Perlin noise values, I mapped out various height scales and assigned a color to each one to resemble natural features, such as shallow and deep water, beaches, grasslands, and mountains. I noticed this created bands of horizontal colors with really harsh transitions. So I interpolated colors between terrain features to create smoother looking gradients. The result is a scene that looks very Mediterranean, and I really enjoy it because it reminds me of not Boston. I also locked the height value at heights lower than sea level to ensure that they look flat, but kept darker blues to hint at their true depth. Furthermore, the terrain I've created is tileable, and the terrains and textures are continuous across tiles because I use the same seed for the Perlin noise function, sampling the Perlin noise at offsets from the center tile. These are the building blocks I've put in place for creating infinite terrain in the future, and scaling outer blocks at lower levels of detail to continuously keep making them. The footage I've seen so far is of tiles with a size of 512 pixels. This is also known as the chunk size, but the tiles are rescalable, and you can really see the effects of various Perlin noise parameters change at different scales. Here it is at 256 and 128. Additionally, I've also integrated ImGui to help me iterate faster. Currently, the slider controls what tiles of the current resolution would look like at spaces at higher resolutions. To anyone who wants to try and use my code, please note that I've set up ImGui for Mac OS. It might break things on other platforms, so be aware. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for a great class, and I hope you enjoyed the project.